My Lord, you know what's best. You place calmness in my chest. I walk this world with tawakkul strong, and on my lips your name belongs. Alhamdulillah, my heart is full, no need for more. I've got it all, in joy and pain, in highs and lows. I bloom wherever Allah sows. Alhamdulillah, my soul's at peace. With every sajda, I feel release. The world may turn, but I will stay content with Allah every day. Alhamdulillah, oh, Alhamdulillah, oh, my heart is full, my heart is full.